Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a very beautiful pencil box. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard or thin wood for the main structure, along with decorative paper, fabric, or paint for the exterior. Don't forget basic tools like sharp scissors, strong glue, and a reliable ruler. Finally, select some fun embellishments such as beads, glitter, or ribbons to add that special touch. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's construct the main body of your pencil box. Carefully cut 6 pieces from your chosen material, 1 for the base, 4 for the sides, and 1 for the lid. Aim for precise measurements, perhaps 8 inches long, 3 inches wide, and 2 inches deep, to ensure a perfect fit. Use a strong adhesive to join the bottom piece with the 4 side pieces, forming a sturdy open box. Let it dry completely for about 30 minutes. This is where your creativity truly shines. Begin by covering the exterior surfaces of your box with your chosen decorative paper, fabric, or paint. Apply a thin, even layer of glue to avoid any wrinkles or bubbles, ensuring a smooth finish. Now, it's time to add those special touches. Attach small gems, a delicate ribbon bow, or even paint intricate patterns. Remember, the goal is to make it uniquely beautiful and reflective of your personal style. For the final steps, let's secure the lid. You can attach it using small hinges for a classic look, or create a simple overlapping design that fits snugly. Make sure the lid opens and closes smoothly without any catching. Consider adding a small handle or a decorative pull tab for easy access to your pencils. Once everything is assembled and decorated, allow all adhesives to fully cure for at least 24 hours. Your beautiful pencil box is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.